If you could make a cinematic 6-second scene, a fluffy cat diving in slow motion, or yourself stepping off a private jet, with just a few words, would you? Today, we build viral clips with Hailuo AI from scratch. Free options, pro prompts, and export tips. Let's go! Hailuo is a text-to-video, image-to-video AI tool. The Hailuo 02 model gives realistic fur, water, and subtle camera motion, perfect for short cinematic clips. It's fast, trendy, and great for creators who need attention-grabbing content. Sign in, go to AI Create, Video. Choose text-to-video or image-to-video. I'll type a cinematic prompt and explain each element. Cinematic 6 is shot. A fluffy cat dives from a springboard into a pool in ultra-slow motion. Realistic fur physics, sparkling water splash, dramatic rim lighting, 50mm lens look, subtle left-to-right camera pan, filmic color grade. Pick model, Hailuo 02 if available. Set duration, 5/8. Resolution, use highest available. Then camera.director options if present. Now your clip is ready, and you can use it. There are ready-to-use templates. You can replace pictures or copy this prompt for your project. Now let's try picture-to-video option with Hailuo 02. Upload a clear portrait, good lighting, and instruct the model to match face and outfit continuity. You can upload your photos. This is the Sydney Sweeney picture. As you can see, generate video amazing. Short clips, 5/10s, are strongest. For longer scenes, stitch multiple shots in an editor. If physics or faces look wrong, simplify prompt, tighten camera directions, or try different seed iterations. Download Hailuo clips. Assemble sequence. Establishing, action, reaction. Color grade lightly. Add a matching music bed, 10 LUFS, and subtitles. I try another prompt. 6 is low-angle hero shot. Uploaded car transforms into a mechanical walker. Metallic panels shifting, sparks, dynamic rack focus. For watermark issues, either purchase a pro render or design a branded lower third instead. That's a full Hailuo workflow. Sign up, write strong prompts, iterate, and edit. Which clip should I build next? Comment below. If you want a comparison with Runway or Veo, tell me. And hit like and subscribe for more AI video tutorials.